The total seconds expression is in the category time and has a result of a decimal data type. The purpose of this expression is to count the number of seconds in a given duration. The total seconds expression has one parameter, a value, which is a duration whose number of seconds you want to count. And the result is the total number of seconds within a given duration. Let's look at an example. Here we can see the total seconds expression, and it is calculating a duration based on 2 times. This is midnight, 1 minute after midnight, specifically 1 minute and 5 seconds, minus midnight itself. This is going to return a duration of 1 minute and 5 seconds. Now, since the hour is 0, we don't have to worry about that, and we know that there are 60 seconds in 1 minute, this is going to let us know that we have a total of 65 seconds in this duration. And this number here, 65, is the answer to this expression here. I hope this was helpful. If you would like to learn more, we invite you to check out AppSheetTraining.com.